everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Suparna here. I hope you all guys are doing well. So recently I have got my hands on this two. They are PILGRIM products and I have heard a lot about them, so decided to try them by my own. So the first product I have got from there is a face mask. This is their Volcanic Lava Ash face mask. Another one is vitamin C hand and nail cream. So let me first talk about the brand. So PILGRIM is an Indian brand. They made products for both men and women, like their products are unisex. Their products are free from sulfate, cruelty, parabens and all nasty chemicals, and they are suitable for all skin type. Now let's talk about their packaging, and the packaging looks like this. This is their outer packaging. I really like their bright eye-catchy outer packaging. It seems cute to me, and once you open the box you will get your product, and they also provide a spatula to spread the product evenly on your face. For packaging, it's a big yay from my side. And here it's my secrets of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash face mask. So the texture of the product looks like this. It is a clay based face mask, and this product has a strong fragrance which I don't like, but overall it's okay. And this product claims to remove all the oils and toxins from your skin and gives you a well nourished and glowy skin. So I am attaching a clip right away to share with you guys that how did I apply this product and what were the after results, and then I will talk about my thoughts about this product. So you guys see that how it brightens up my face, and I can feel that there are no dirt and oils and toxins are left on my face. And the best thing about this product is that it didn't dries out my skin. It makes my skin feel hydrated, well nourished and yet glowy and brighten. So I do recommend you guys to try this product out. If you are from oily skin family, then you should try this one out. It will help you to prevent breakouts as well, or if you are from other skin families, you can try this out as well. It will give you a well nourished yet glowy skin. Now let's talk about this vitamin C hand and nail cream, and this one is a must have, guys, must have, because we are in this middle of pandemic where we are excessively using hand sanitizers and hand washes, which is leading our hands to dry and flakiness, and to get rid of that, a hand cream is must. This one is infused with vitamin C. It also has some sunscreen properties. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, so it gonna moisturize your hand and also protect it from all the sun rays, so it's a must have. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, the typical outer packaging for all the PILGRIM products, I think. And once you open this, here is your inner packaging. It's a cute, handy, travel friendly tube, guys, and the texture of the product is like creamy, and the fragrance of this product is so good. I just love the fragrance of this, guys, like just amazing. My mom loves it too, and she prefers to apply these at night before sleep, just to apply all over her hand and the next morning she gets a nice soft supple hands, and I prefer to massage it on my nail cuticles because I love my long nails. So yeah, we both are loving using this one, and we are looking forward to try more hand creams for Pilgrim cause they are just amazing. So yeah, I am attaching a link down below in the description box, so do check that out and explore more products from Pilgrim range because the products are just amazing, and it's an Indian brand which is coming up with this good quality products. I am looking forward to try more products from Pilgrim. I hope you guys will try their products too, and this video is helpful to you guys. If it did, then make sure you do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.